Welcome to all of you, my dear students. Today we are going through the chapter Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. In the previous videos, we have discussed about what is natural vegetation, the factors affecting the natural vegetation, and we have also discussed the three types of the vegetation that are found in India. We have discussed tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, thorn forest and scrubs. Now in this video we will discuss about the other types of vegetation that are found in India. So let's start. After the fourth vegetation that is found in India, these are known as the montane forest. As the name is clear, montane forest means these forests are found in the mountainous region of India. जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं, भारत में हिमालय पर्वत की एक लंबी श्रृंखला, एक बड़ी श्रृंखला मौजूद है. तो ऐसे प्लांट्स, ऐसी वेजिटेशंस जो इन हिमालय माउंटेन्स में रीजन्स में पाए जाते हैं, उनके बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे माउंटेन फॉरेस्ट में. हम सभी जानते हैं इन द माउंटेन्स व्हेन वी गो अप हाई the temperature started to decrease, and this changes in the temperature also affect the size and shape of the vegetation that are found in this hilly region. We classified these forests on the basis of height into the three categories. First, between the height of 1000 to 2000 meters. In this region, the forests that are found are the wet temperate type of the forest. These type of the forest are found between the heights of 1000 to 2000 meters. In these vegetations, the important trees are the oaks and the chestnut. These are the important trees. These are evergreen broadleaf trees. Second category, on the between the height of 1500 to 3000 meters. Here the temperate forests are found. Among them the important trees are pine, deodar, silver fir, kedar are found. And when we go up more high, above the 3600 meters, the alpine vegetations are found. Among them silver fir, junipers, pines and the birches. One important thing in these vegetations that are found in the hilly regions, these from tropical vegetation at the low height goes up and converted into the tundra type of vegetation, and the trees of these regions have a conical shape because in the hilly region, due to the snow falling, the trees that are found in this region are the conical shape. And if we talk about the important animals that are found in this region, the Kashmir stag, spotted deer, wild sheep, Tibetan antelope are also found, and snow leopard, bear and red panda, sheep and goats. And the large areas in the mountains are covered with the grasslands. The pastoralists utilize these grasslands for their animals. Here we can see the figure. These are the important animals. The red panda found in the hilly region. Here this is the Kashmir stag. This is the tree of mountainous region. We can see here that the shape of the tree is also the conical, right? So we comes to the next. The next is the mangrove forest. These forests are found in the coastal regions, because all of you know very well that coastal regions are accumulated with the mud and silt. So in this region the forest and the vegetations are found. They are known as the mangrove forest. These vegetation's roots stay in the water, and in India these areas are also influenced by the tides. So these are also known as the tidal forest. If we talk about in India, भारत में बहुत सारी नदियाँ पाई जाती हैं, तो इन द डेल्टिक रीजन्स ऑफ दीज रिवर्स, द गंगा, गोदावरी, कृष्णा, कावेरी, इन दीज रिवर्स डेल्टिक रीजन्स द मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट और मैंग्रोव वेजिटेशंस आर फाउंड। अब हम बात करते हैं अगर एनिमल्स इन दिस रीजन्स में, द मोस्ट फेमस द रॉयल बंगाल टाइगर इज फेमस, क्रोकोडाइल, घड़ियाल्स, स्नेक्स आर आल्सो फाउंड इन दिस रीजन। अगर हम बात करें ट्रीज की, पाम, कोकोनट, केवड़ा, अगर आर फाउंड इन दिस रीजन। वन मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट ट्रीज दैट इज फाउंड इन द गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्र डेल्टा इज द सुंदरी ट्रीज, एंड दिस सुंदरी ट्रीज इज वेरी प्रोवाइड ये हार्ड टिम्बर and commercially very important. Then we comes to the next types of the forest. The next, the medicinal plants. This is not the in group of these 5 vegetations, but this is also very important because the medicinal plants are plants that are used to make the different types of medicines. In India, more than 2000 plants have been described in the Ayurveda of our country. Among them, 500 are in regular use. आप अपने नेबर्स में, अपने लोकल एरिया में आप देख सकते हैं कि बहुत सारे ऐसे प्लांट्स हैं जो लोग मेडिसिन के रूप में यूज़ करते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल सपोज दैट तुलसी, जब भी सर्दी खांसी या कफ की प्रॉब्लम होती है हम तुलसी का यूज़ करते हैं। For antibacterial purpose, we use the leaves of neem. So all these plants are known as the medicinal plants. Among them, some famous plants. First, the sarpgandha is also used in the blood pressure. Neem has the antibacterial capacity. Tulsi is used in the cough and cold. And so the other kusum, kachnar is also the other jamun is the medicinal plants that are used in different types of disease. Here the figure of this is the sarpgandha, this is the figure of neem, and this is the tulsi. So you have to find out other medicinal plants in your regions. Then this is the assignment based on today's lecture. This is the questions you have to done in your fair copy. What are the mangrove forest major vegetation zones of Himalayan region? As we had decided the Himalayan vegetation classified into 3 categories, you have to write them. Describe the vegetation and wildlife found in Ganga and Brahmaputra delta. You have to write the 3 medicinal plants and their use, and you have to describe the features of mangrove forest. And in the next video we will discuss about the wildlife in India. जो वाइल्ड लाइफ है कहाँ पे किस रीजन में ज़्यादा पाए जाते हैं, इसके लिए कौन सा रीजन ज़्यादा फेमस है, एंड वी विल आल्सो डिस्कस अबाउट द कंजर्वेशन ऑफ वेजिटेशन एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ. थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे.